Hello everyone, how are you doing today? I am unboxing my October Sparkle Hustle and Grow, and if you're unfamiliar, this is a monthly subscription box for the female entrepreneur, and their slogan is best business expense ever. And I've been getting this one for a long time and I do enjoy it, but I decided that I'm going to base whether or not I continue this subscription on this box, because I do get a lot of good things in here, but I have accumulated some stuff, and honestly I'm a lot more into beauty and lifestyle subscription boxes, and I am trying to budget and spend less money. So this box has been really useful in aiding me just in general in life with any kind of ambition. I love everything's very motivating, and there's tools to help get you where you want to go, like books and courses and all of that. So let's see what's in it. It's kind of heavy. Let's see, say the weight on here. I don't know, I don't think so, but it's heavy. It's a cute box. And every time when you open it, there's a card and it says, yay, it's here. And then on the back of it, we'll have the information, all of the products along with pricing. And this is the 2-year anniversary box. It's themed boss. And it says, we've included tons of office essentials that every boss needs, plus double the trainings to help you boss up. Okay, so every month has a training course, which a lot of them are super useful, but it looks like there are gonna be 2. So the first one, they always come on cards, and it looks like this is the Amazon Revenue Streams for Your Business by Kathleen Cobell, an Amazon business consultant and e-commerce strategist, Cobell Consulting Masters of Marketplace. This course will teach you how to leverage the power of Amazon to make more money by creating new revenue streams in your business using assets you already have. $197 value. So I forgot to mention that this box, the full size, which I get, is like $39.95 or something very close to that. So just under $40, but they also offer a mini mailer, which is like $24.95. I'll leave all that information below. So this is huge. Like, courses online are generally pretty expensive. I think I've talked about this before. I've taken online courses. I'm currently taking one. And they really, like, I think like the average price is like around $200. But yeah, so let's see what the other one is. This is Subscription Box Basics, and this is by Julie Ball, who is the founder and chief sparkler at Sparkle Hustle Grow and coach at Subscription Box Bootcamp. Adding a new stream of revenue to your existing business can be a game changer. Subscription Box Basics will teach you the foundations of launching a subscription box business, so you can determine if it's a good model for you. $47 value. I always thought it'd be cool to have a subscription box in the future, because I love subscription boxes, so this will be useful, maybe. And then I see another piece of paper. I think this might be like an advertisement. Oh my god, this is for a subscription box. Wick box. This is a $10 gift card. And it looks like it's all about candles and stuff. So this might come in handy, because you know I love subscription boxes. But anyways, and then all the goodies are hidden right now underneath these little sparkly things. So I'm just gonna grab the first thing I see. It's like a tote bag. Yeah, Hustle with Heart. And on the other side it says Sparkle Hustle Grow. So this will be useful. And it looks like there's like a little case in here too. I don't know if you hold something in here like your phone or something. Set that right here. But I like using reusable bags for like shopping and stuff like that. Let me find that on here. This is a 16 by 16 bag fold. Conveniently fits into a 5x3 pouch with plastic snap and carabiner clip. Am I saying that right? This bag checks all the boxes. Pretty, practical, and pink. $8 value. And then I see the little cute things by Poppin'. Okay, there's a couple. So these are super cute. So these are just little pins. Look at the colors, these are super cute. 100 push pins. And then, I love these things. I feel like I have a lot of them, but I don't know what happened to them. Same color arrangement, it seems like. Super cute. So this is 20 small binder clips. And then there's another, oh, cute. I love the colors of these. 50 paper clips. So I keep stuff like this on my desk. I don't use the little pins for anything right now, but maybe I could get like a cardboard thing. I wanted to get like maybe a whiteboard, but a lot of those whiteboards have little cork areas too, where you could use those to hang things. Oh, I'm excited about this. These are heavy. This is what is so heavy. Scissors. I always am looking for some. I have some in here. I actually used scissors to open this box right before I started filming because I don't like to struggle on camera and I'm not very good at editing things out unless they're at the beginning or the end of my film. But these are Sparkle, Hustle, and Grow, cut from different cloths. Or, let's see. Yeah, it says heavyweight gold scissors. Gosh, can I not speak today or what? An exclusive item for Sparkle, Hustle, Grow subscribers since we're cut from a different cloth. That couldn't be more true. And then it says hashtag boss, $12 value. So these are cute and like practical thing to have around. And then I didn't say the price of the other stuff. Those it's 3 times the pop-in desk essentials. Give your desk a makeover with these binder clips, push pins, and swanky paper clips in a smooth, beautiful color assortment. Mint, aqua, blush, navy, and gray. $14 value. I do think that's a really cute color arrangement. And then, what is this? Like a little pen. Cobell Consulting, your Amazon e-commerce solution. Or is this like a highlighter? It doesn't say that on here anywhere. This must be like a little bonus because that training is from Kathleen Cobell. So I bet this just comes with that. Yep, it looks like it's an orange highlighter. Do I look really ghostly today? I used the same foundation as yesterday's video, but I feel like today it's like more matte looking, and it's the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop, which I know a lot of people don't like because they have dry skin, and I normally don't, but yesterday was the weekend. I stayed up a little too late, maybe drank a little too much wine, and I think my skin's dehydrated, and you can tell. Anyways, there's a book in here that I like can't really get out. Let's see. I don't know how to get it out with all these little squiggly things coming out at me. Saved most of them. Some got out, but my cats love playing with these, so whatever. Alright, so there's always a book each month, and the book of October is Spinning Fire, Your Guide to Reignite and Maintain Your Passion at Home, Work, and Beyond by Lauren Lemunyon, if I'm saying that right. So this is what it looks like. And on the back there's a list of things they hope you get from this box. And it also defines Spitfire, a noun. Someone emotionally and spiritually strong who is free to say and do what they want. Someone who's full of power and passion, exudes and inspires confidence. Cool, I can use some more confidence. And it looks like it's like kind of like a workbook. I just flipped it open to a random page and there's like some spots where you could write. So I'm excited. I love books, like motivational type books. So that's cool. Let's see what it says on this about it. This is by Lauren R. Lemunyon, who weaves her personal story with her client experiences to highlight 3 key areas that inspire us to get fired up and become the Spitfire we are always meant to be. It can start as a simple mindset shift and grow to a total life overhaul. Join the author Lauren in our book study. $14.95. So when you sign up for this box, you also become a member of this exclusive Sparkle Hustle Grow community on Facebook. It's a Facebook group, and they always have a book study, like a book club online each month for the books, and I've been so bad I'm behind on reading, but it looks like the author of this book will actually lead the discussion this month, so that's cool. And it's really awesome just to have a community of like-minded women to, be inspired by, ask questions to, discuss anything that comes in here. So that's everything. I guess the training was the big money portion, so the 2 trainings. So I guess the subscription box one was a bonus. It says bonus training. I do actually list some books on Amazon that I sell, like after I read them or haven't read, just for a little bit of extra money. They don't really sell well. Sometimes I forget I'm even listing things on there. But I think this will be interesting. I mean, I'm not like dying to take this course, but Amazon's ruling the world, so, might as well hop on that. And I think these are super cute. The scissors needed, they're cute too. I like gold stuff that goes with a lot of my, stuff I have here already. So, I mean, I like this box. It's just like, it doesn't excite me like when I open up a box and have like a new eyeshadow palette, but I am excited to read the book actually, and it's not too big. I like how you can like it's an active book, so they make you think a little bit and write down your thoughts and ideas and all that. So, oh, and I forgot about this tote bag. I like this. Hustle with Heart. I'll definitely use that because I don't, actually I was thinking about that the other day. I don't have any here for grocery shopping. I feel bad just using bags from, you know, not, I recycle them, you know, but still. But yeah, I don't know if I'll be getting this anymore. It is $40, but I do really like it. I'm gonna reflect, I'm gonna look back at my old videos and see everything and look at the training I've received and kind of just, yeah, decide whether or not it's worth it, because it has been beneficial. So let me know what you guys think. Do you think I should continue this box? Are you excited to see me unbox this, or do you like more beauty boxes? Would you prefer that I cancel this one and subscribe to something new? If so, let me know what box. Like, are there any new beauty boxes or other types of boxes you would just love to see on this channel? Definitely comment that below. And thank you so much for being here. And I forgot to remind you at the beginning, make sure you subscribe to my 1,000 subscriber giveaway. The link will be below in the description box. It ends October 31st. So thank you again, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.